Hello friends, myself lecturer Miss Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic fundamental principles of microbiology, that is the staining techniques from health education and community pharmacy. The topics to be covered from our today's session are as follows: Introduction to microbiology and staining techniques of organisms of common diseases. Introduction to microbiology. Microbiology is the study of living organisms that are microscopic in size. Microbiology can be defined as the study of living organisms of microscopic size which include bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and viruses. Some microbes are beneficial and others are harmful to man. The staining techniques for microorganisms. The purpose of staining, that is for greater visualization of cells, then for study of their structures, then to differentiate the cells. Stains are the organic dyes used for staining the microorganism. For an example, crystal violet, methylene blue, etc. Types of staining. There are specially two types of staining: differential staining and simple staining. In differential staining, again it get classified into two classes: gram staining and acid fast staining. So gram staining procedure. Christian Gram was firstly discovered the differential staining techniques to differentiate types of bacteria. Gram positive staining. First take the bacteria and spread on a clean slide. The smear is dried by passing it over the blue flame. Add the crystal violet solution and allow for 30 to 60 seconds. Remove the excess stain with the water. Then add the iodine solution and allow for 60 seconds. Wash with the water. Finally wash the slide with the alcohol. Wash with the water and observe under microscope. Then observation: if stain appears a deep violet or purple black, then they are called as gram positive bacteria, staphylococci, pneumococci, etc. Gram negative staining. Staining procedure is similar to gram positive. If the bacteria do not retain crystal violet stain, then it is counter stained by the safranin for 10 seconds. Washed with the water and observe the smear under the microscope. Then the observation: if the pink or the red color produced, then those are gram negative bacteria. For an example, E. coli, staphylococci, etc. E. coli means Escherichia coli and S. typhi means Salmonella typhi. Ziehl-Neelsen's acid-fast staining method. Certain organisms are not easily stained by the usual dyes, probably due to the presence of water, repellent, outer layer or high lipid content. But when the stained with the acid-fast stain, they may retain the color even washed with acid. Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Mycobacterium leprae. Ziehl and Neelsen discovered this method for separation of Mycobacterium group. Procedure for it: a smear is prepared, then added the Ziehl-Neelsen Carroll Fuchsin stain for 10 minutes, then heated and washed with tap water. Then add 20% H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, for 1 minute and washed with water. Then add methylene blue for 30 seconds. Wash the slide and dry and observe under the oil immersion lens. Then the observations are: the cells appears pinkish red are acid fast cells / bacteria, and those appear blue or green are non-acid fast bacteria. So the fundamental principles of microbiology and its staining techniques, the learning outcomes from this session are as follows. First, the introduction to microbiology, including definition of microbiology and the staining techniques of organism of common diseases. In this we are studied the classification of staining techniques and in detail each staining technique which is used for some microorganisms for common diseases such as Escherichia coli and Salmonella typhi.